In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account on Microsoft Teams. This is a really useful feature, especially if you manage multiple Teams profiles, perhaps one for work and another for a personal project or a different organization. It allows you to seamlessly switch between them without having to constantly log out and log back in, saving you time and hassle. We'll walk through the process step by step to add your additional accounts with ease. First, your initial step is to locate and click on your profile picture. You'll find this conveniently situated in the upper right-hand corner of your Microsoft Teams application window. This universal design element usually displays your initials, an avatar, or a default image. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu that provides access to various account settings, status updates, and, crucially, the option to manage your accounts. It's your personal gateway to customization and account management within Teams. Just a single click here will unveil the next set of options we need. Once the drop-down menu appears, look for and click on the option labeled Add Another Account. This is the direct path to expanding your Teams accessibility. This option is typically found within the initial set of choices that appear, designed to be easily discoverable when you're looking to integrate an additional profile. It clearly indicates the functionality we need, allowing you to bring in a separate account without disrupting your current session. Selecting this will prompt Teams to prepare for a new sign-in process, setting the stage for you to introduce your other account. After clicking Add Another Account, Teams will present you with options for which account to integrate. If you've previously signed into other Microsoft services on your device, you might see a list of those accounts already displayed. In this case, simply click on the specific account you wish to add to Teams. If the account you want to use isn't listed, or if it's a brand new account, you'll usually find an option, often labeled Sign in with another account, or Use a different account, that allows you to manually enter new credentials. This flexibility ensures you can add any valid Microsoft Teams account, whether it's one you frequently use or a completely new one. Upon selecting an account or choosing to sign in with a new one, you'll be directed to the standard Microsoft sign-in page. Here, you'll need to securely enter the credentials associated with the account you're adding. This typically involves entering the email, phone number, or Skype name linked to that account, then the corresponding password. For enhanced security, you might also be prompted for two-factor authentication, such as a code from an authenticator app, a text message, or an email verification. Ensure you have these details readily available to complete the sign-in process smoothly and securely. Once your credentials are confirmed, you might see additional prompts. These could include requests to grant permissions, especially for a new organizational account, or to confirm agreement with terms and conditions. Take a moment to review these, then proceed by clicking Accept or Continue as required. Teams will then take a brief moment to load your newly added account. You'll likely see a spinning icon or a loading screen as the application integrates the new profile and fetches all your chats, Teams, and other data associated with it. Patience is key, as Teams gets everything ready. Finally, after loading, you should see confirmation that your new account has been successfully added to Microsoft Teams. You can verify this by clicking your profile picture in the upper right corner once more. You'll notice both your original and newly added accounts listed, often with a visual indicator of the active one. To switch between accounts, simply click on the desired account from this drop-down menu. Teams will quickly transition, allowing you to access the chats, files, and teams associated with that specific profile. This streamlined approach makes managing multiple identities within Teams incredibly efficient,